Come test drive the 2017 Subaru WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.